evening, I'm 3 Papa Golf. 9 miles, 5 miles, 5 left. I'm at 3 Papa Golf, Tower, continue approach runway 05 left, and speed 0 knots 4 miles, please. We'll do on 3 Papa Golf. I'm at 3 Papa Golf, runway 05. Surface wind 100 degrees 9 knots, maximum 25 knots. Just line 05 left, 3 Papa Golf. Jersey 4 November, contact Scottish Control 133.8. 133.8 inches support November Bravo. Head, there is the seat top before you, so just full length hold at Alpha 1. Roger, hold Alpha 1, so we're 27 way check. Castle 4 Bravo, you are ahead of the HR, but we've got 1 to land, so just hold at Alpha Golf 1. Hold Alpha Golf, copy Castle 4 Hotel Bravo. 3206, contact Scottish Control 134.425. Scottish Control 134.425, right there, 3206, have a nice day, thank you very much. 3206, bye bye, and just before you go, QNH is now 1017. 1017, right there, 3206, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. LM89 Sierra, new QNH 1017, runway 05 left, wind 090 degrees, 13 knots. QNH 1017, clear to land 05 left, KLM 890. LM89 Sierra, hold it Golf 1 please, contact ground 121 decimal. All good, well, Golf 1 and 12185, LM89 Sierra. Castle 4 Hotel Bravo, runway 0 left, clear takeoff, wind 090 degrees, 13 knots. Clear takeoff 05 left, Castle 4 Hotel Bravo. Emirates 3 Papa Golf, runway 05 right, clear to land 090 degrees, 6 knots. Clear to land, runway 05 right, Emirates 3 Papa Golf. Hello, this is 105, 8 miles, final 05 right. Oman 105. Now continue approach with 080 degrees, 7 knots. To the approach 105. Emirates 3 Papa Golf flight on Victor, taxi holding point Delta Zulu 1, hold short left. Right, I'm Victor, Delta Zulu 1, hold short, on the 05 left, Emirates, just confirm that holding point Delta Zulu 1. Holding point Delta Zulu 1, Emirates 3 Papa Golf. Oman 1.
05 right, clear to land, 080 degrees, 6 knots.
Clear to land, 05 right, final 105.
Emirates 3 Papa Golf.